Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on repairing the Enovo Yoga 730, a crucial device for your real estate investment needs. Today, we will walk through the essential steps to diagnose and fix any issues you may encounter with this laptop. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need 1. A Phillips screwdriver, size 00. 2. A plastic spudger for safely opening the device. 3. A microfiber cloth for cleaning. 4. Isopropyl alcohol for cleaning contacts. 5. A can of compressed air for dust removal. Before diving into the repair, ensure you back up any important data. Now, let's turn the device off and disconnect it from any power source. Next, carefully remove the back cover. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws securing the cover in place. These screws are typically located around the perimeter of the device. Remember to keep them organized, a magnetic tray can help with this. Once the screws are out, use your plastic spudger to gently pry the back cover open. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors inside. If you find any dust or debris inside, now is the perfect time to use your can of compressed air to clean it out. A clean laptop will run more efficiently, which is vital for your real estate tasks. With the back cover removed, we can now access the internal components. If you notice any loose connections or components, make sure to reseat them carefully. For instance, the RAM and SSD should be securely connected. If you're unsure about the connections, feel free to reach out for our professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, let's focus on cleaning the internal parts. Use your microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol to gently clean the contacts of the RAM and SSD. This can help improve performance and prevent any future issues. Once everything is clean and secure, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Place the back cover back on and screw it in using your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any rattling. If you encounter any problems during your repair or feel uncomfortable performing it yourself, don't hesitate to contact us. Remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you don't need to make any calls or travel. We can provide a quote before repair, so you know what to expect. After reassembling the device, power it on and check if everything is functioning correctly. Test the keyboard, trackpad, and any ports to ensure they're working as intended. If any issues persist, it might be time for a more in-depth analysis, which we can assist you with. In summary, maintaining your Enovo Yoga 730 is crucial for maximizing your productivity in real estate investing. With the right tools and techniques, you can handle minor repairs yourself. However, if you prefer a hassle-free solution, remember that we are here to help with comprehensive services tailored to your needs. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to keep your device in top shape. Happy investing! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.